Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install software for the 3Dconnexion CadMouse Compact wireless on macOS. There is a video on how to connect it, and there's also a video on how to install it on Windows. So let's install it on macOS in this one. Go to any browser. I'll select Safari. Then in that browser, search for 3D connection, like that, with an X. That will go straight into the 3Dconnexion app, 3Dconnexion website. Then go to software and find download driver. I'll just first of all change the language here. So let's change it to maybe United Kingdom. Okay. Now I'll also change the brightness so you can see it a bit better. Yeah, click on download driver, then go to macOS download. That is available for macOS 12 and newer. The newest current version is macOS 15. Click on allow, then it'll start downloading. Once it is downloaded, you can open the DMG file. Of course, DMG files open like that as a disk. So double click on install 3Dconnexion software, then it'll start installing it. Click on continue, then click on continue, agree to the license. Now you can select whether you want to install it for all users of this computer, for you only, or for specific disk. I will select all users, click on continue. You can change install location, but I leave it where it is. Then I'll enter my Touch ID. You can also enter password. It's running some package scripts. Okay, it's all fine. You can already close the window, the 3Dconnexion software, that disk window. We'll eject the disk in a moment, but let's wait until it finishes the installation first. Okay, I think that may take a moment. Okay, another part where it asks me for the Touch ID. Just tap on the Touch ID sensor to confirm. Now it's opening a website. I'll actually close out of that. Okay, let's now it asks for the restart of my Mac, so let's do it. I'll move the install. I'll keep it because it doesn't really matter. It's on this disk here, so you don't need to remove it because it'll get ejected anyway automatically once you restart the MacBook. So actually don't even need to do that. Yeah, so it is ejected. Now if I go to the launch pad, let's wait until it connects, till the mouse connects. It asks whether you want to add a new driver extension. You need to click on OK. Then it showed me that. If it shows you that, click on open login items and extensions. It'll open settings. Then here you'll find a list of different settings, right? And we'll need to find the how was it? Okay, driver extensions first. Then go to 3D connection, make sure it's enabled. I'm gonna tap on the fingerprint sensor, click on done, and now it is working. I will disable the option to show on startup, so I don't really care. And you have the 3D connection home here. You can go to, for example, properties to adjust the properties of your mouse. You can see the properties here are adjusted within settings, which is really cool. I think you can change the buttons, you can change the radial menus, macros, tools, install plugins, check update, and that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.